this little rebuild video. This is a Stealth Performance Model 3. I didn't even know it's a performance. I thought it was just, you know, dual motor because it said all-wheel drive. They didn't show miles, nothing. It was completely dead. I found out this car was off for about the last 14 months because when you look at the last, you know, who used the key, last phone key was 14 months ago. What's up, guys? Now that I got the car back, I get to do the fun stuff. Paint is good. 3 of the 4 rims got some nasty curb rash. I'm gonna fix those. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I use JB Weld and then sand it. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to do it with my hand at first. I'm going to really get it in there in these ridges, kind of like with my finger, and then I'm going to go over it again with a little stick. Here is 30-pound braided fishing line. I'm gonna black out this pillow right now. 3M snap black, and then some 3M knifeless tape.
What's up, guys? I finished the car. I gotta say, this is definitely the most favorite car that I've ever driven or owned. I've driven a lot of cars, not all of them. In my past 17 years, I had about 80 to 85 cars. I would buy them salvage, fix them, flip them, and definitely none of them top this car. This one is a Stealth Performance. You know, it has the original suspension, which is not too stiff. And then come to find out, not only is it a Stealth Performance Model 3, it has the full self-driving. So whoever owned this car paid the 10 grand to put this full self-driving in here. So I got super lucky on this car. I have 3 Teslas. I got a Model Y Performance. I have this one, the Stealth Performance Model 3, and I have a rear-wheel drive model. And definitely this Stealth Performance Model 3 tops them by far. And strangely, my wife even picks the rear-wheel drive Model 3 over the Model Y Performance. That's how fun these Model 3s are to drive. And you can imagine this Model 3 Performance, Stealth Performance, 3.10 to 60. This thing is a freaking blast. I got a video coming. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this Model 3 with the Model Y for a few miles, and then we're gonna turn around and I'm gonna pull the Model Y with this one the same distance, and we're gonna see what we get. You know, kind of electricity. What if we have more power than what we started with? We might discover something new. Elon Musk, contact me. Like, share, subscribe. I got more.